Okay, students, good morning. This is program number 12, that is Program to Implement BFS. BFS stands for Breadth First Search. It is a graph traversal algorithm which uses the data structure called queue. The algorithm goes like this. The very first step, we pick any node, visit the adjacent unvisited vertex, mark it as visited, display it, and insert it in a queue. The second step is, if there are no remaining adjacent vertices left, remove the first vertex from the queue. Repeat step 1 and step 2 until the queue is empty or the desired node is found. So we'll go to the Python program. Before going to that, let us see one graph. So here you can see a graph, which is a directed graph. There are 6 vertices. Now I start with my node A. It is a starting node. And I look for the adjacent vertices adjacent to A, that is B and C. I visit those vertices, come to the left subtree, look for the adjacent nodes of B, visit that, D and E. Then I look for the child nodes of C, that is F. So I start with this node A. I visit all the adjacent node to A, that is B and C. Then I come to the leftmost child or left subtree. Then I visit all the child nodes adjacent to B. Then I visit F. So this is the order or traversal where the nodes are visited in the case of BFS. Now the order would be A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, let us go back to the program. Here you can see that I have initialized my graph. For A node, the adjacent nodes are B and C. So same way, these nodes I have initialized my graph, right? So B, C, D, E, F, all the nodes are being initialized and the graph is initialized here. Then I go for the BFS function. So in BFS function, I'm passing graph and the initial node to be visited. So we'll go to the main, the driver program in Python. So here, what am I passing is I'm going to pass the graph. Graph will be there, the complete graph, and the initial node is A. My node will be A currently. Now I have a visited list. So this visited list is used to keep track of all the nodes which are currently visited. Then I have a list called queue, which will have the first node. So here the first node, the root node is A. So queue will contain A. Now while queue, that means while there are elements in the queue, obviously there is an element in the queue because the initial node is being placed in the queue. So this condition will be true. Then node is equal to queue dot pop of 0. So here what is a pop method does? So we have this pop method associated with the list. The pop method will remove the front node which is present in the queue, right? So you know that at the rear end insertion happens and the front end the deletion happens. Now if node not in visited, obviously I have initialized all my vertices as unvisited, so this condition is going to be true. Then visited dot append of node. That means append is a method where I'm going to add this node, the current node, the initial node A, I'm going to add it to the visited list that gets appended. Next, graph of node neighbors is equal to graph of node. That means I am looking for all the adjacent vertices which are adjacent to the current node A for neighbor in neighbors. Q dot append of neighbor. So all the adjacent nodes which are going to be adjacent to A will get appended to the Q. So here in this case, B and C are adjacent to A. These nodes are going to get appended to the Q. And as and when I append any nodes to the queue, I have to make that particular node as visited. So return visited. So visited will have the list of nodes which are visited in that particular order. Print BFS of graph comma A. So as I told you, I'm going to print this function. The graph is passed as a parameter and my initial node is passed. So with this, I will get the order in which the breadth first search happens. And again, the process is going to get repeated. Like again, this while queue, all that is going to happen. And we again look for the adjacent nodes of B, adjacent nodes of C, and goes on. The process goes. So let us see the program execution. So I'm using Notepad++ for my Python. So here, the same program, whatever I have explained, you can see here. So the graph is initialized. I'm using the BFS function where I'm passing the graph and initial. I've explained you the code. I'm printing the BFS with graph and the first node which is passed. So let me run the program and show it to you. So you can see here, in my console, you can see my output. That is A, B, C, D, E, and F. So that's it, students, about breadth first search.